now our files key. What I want to mention here is that you should screw with constantly testing. If you can do this, if you can cock the rifle and move a little bit here, even if it will be hard, then it's actually okay. So you can screw till you feel the resistance, but not too far away. It's like try to be flush, okay, or even halfway here. No, let's do it more stronger. Hopefully we'll have the profit from it. Okay, can I do it? Yes, I can do a little bit. Yes, it's okay, it will work. And we'll have a little bit more power because spring compression is a little bit higher. It's actually can be used as auto regulation without digging into the mechanism. So let's now fixate our plug with key number 2 and fixating bolt. Do not tight it really snugly. Save the threads. Threads will be where you use it. Okay, everything's okay. Let's continue with our measurements. Okay, keys are in place, spring in place, files goes into their place. By the way, those are USSR files. One of those which been used in military operations, I mean production of different military equipment. They are simply indestructible. One of the best files you could ever find. Okay, so let's see what we have here. 15 millimeters. More 14 and 3, but we'll see if it will be like 15 millimeters with corrections for thickness of the filament expansion. Okay, here we have 55 millimeters and total length of 83 millimeter. And also let's measure the height all this. Oh, that's will be about it. It's 12.5. Okay, so that will do it. Will be printed with these parameters. Thank you very much for your attention. Hopefully this was useful at least for one person over there. And have a good time. Didn't break it this time.